Yo, rap game.
So
Rap
much
game
rap
insane.
game.
Rap.
You know what? Rap.
Gonna freestyle for you.
Rap game.
Yo.
Rap.
All right, let's go. Rap game. Head sideways. Run it every day. Your hair looks retarded. You should change it right away. I don't like it when bit you look straight out of the 90s. I don't like it. In fact, I wouldn't even fuck you in the hiney. Hermione Granger. Wow, she got really hot. I put my dick magic wand in her fucking G spot. Rap game. Eyebrows, they're getting pretty bushy. Need to get them threaded like I was sewing up a Wookie cookie. Bust a bitch open, your forehead is so big it could hold an ocean. Holy shit, dude, wow, that's really impressive. It's like an airfield on your head, dude, I'm not even jesting. Jesting the jester, king of the court, met a bad bitch and I filled her with about a quart of semen. Once an hour we fuck, and then at the end of the month we do a bump a line, a couple drugs on fucking shattered. I rip her open, her heart, chest, shattered, glass pussy, cause it fucking shattered. Check me with my crack pipe, didn't even matter. Rap game, insane, chillin' with swooping cock. He's got a weird forehead, but an okay cock. Rap game, insane, he's finna hit the BRV game like he's driving down the street. Rap game.
Some people say my coffin is chronic, but I'll get to it, man, I'm hella right on it. Floral patterns on my shirt is what I'm about. Gotta do so much weed, man, it's hella fucking loud. Crack rock, I'm all about that shit. Load it in a pipe, I'll be with you in a bit. Takes 20 minutes, do a lump of my coke. Can't help it, man, this ain't no fucking joke. This is a rap game, it's hella insane. Wanna be good, gotta strive for fame, because we ain't lame. We came Bruce Wayne, killing all you jokers with our Glock. Ooh, pain. That's the sound my gun always makes when I shoot a poser in his fucking head. Pop, killing everybody when I walk into a theater. All these people gonna figure out they wanna meet her. My bitch, she's on my dick. All I really knows is that she wants it. My two balls, virgin in her eyes. She's gonna understand what it means to be alive. Where'd Chucky C go? No one really knows, but if he was here, it'd be his turn to ghost. But whatever, we here, we got our flat bills. Turn them 90 degrees if you want the kills. Yo, kill it, I'm making it, I'm in this rap game. Everybody knows it, man, my raps ain't fucking lame. I got so much money in my bank account, all the bitches in Des Moines will fucking want to shout. Kill a bitch if she shoots me some lip. Gonna show her what it's like when I smack her clit. Smack it. I'm all about that shit. Killing bitches in my bathroom. That's the shit. One more line. Tanner, I think it's about fucking time that the Snert God spit us out with a rhyme. 1, 2, 3, limey.
Limey? That's British? Don't fucking quit it. BBC? Sherlock? Yeah, I'm fucking with it. Crime show? Rap game? Solving a mystery? The only real mystery is how I'm in her titties. Got a stutter, don't give a fuck. Got a couple brothers and I wouldn't even fuck they bitches. Wouldn't fuck Kaylee, Haley, Anna Marie, or Faley. Wouldn't fill it with my phallus, wouldn't do it on the daily, cause they're my bros bitches and I wouldn't fucking go that lazy. I can go to the mall, I can get some fucking bitches, sort them out like a ball. Red, black, or blue, don't even care. I'd fuck a Smurf, if she had nice hair. Rap
Rap
game.
game.
Game rap.
Rap game.
Rap game.